Bunny that we're fostering.
This is my wife, my beautiful wife. Oh, Christopher's burp. This is what these two do all day when they came. Got a foster bunny over here. Whoa, that's a cool hop.
So cute.
Still haven't really decided on a name.
We said August.
For a name?
Yeah.
It's cute.
Because we got it in August. But I feel like August is pretty cute.
August. There's usually not that much poop on this rug right here, but it looks like a lot of turds right now. There's never that many turds. But we've had him for probably almost a month now. Just made him this little level here. Jumping up there. He kind of, he was found outside and somebody kept him, had him in their yard for a month or two, was the story. Came into the vet clinic with a bot fly, had that removed, they paid for it, and then probably a month later decided they couldn't keep him anymore. He was living in a cat cage, tiny cat cage, after he was living outside, so he was dumped. We're gonna try to find a home for him, keep him comfy while he's here. Let's see, normal setting. That one. Hi. August. We think he's a boy. That's what the vet said. You want your name to be August. Avery's been trying the hardest to name him. The dogs love him. Wonder why. They do pretty good with him. The little ones. I'm not gonna let the big guy meet him. I think she'd be fine, honestly, but one chomp. Rabbit stew. We don't want that. There's Leo. Hi. We've had Leo his whole life. He's 13. 13 and a half, actually. That's crazy. We got Hopi. Hope's 11. Hope. She blind kitty cat. She has no eyes. Is she sleeping? Can't really tell.
Not sleeping, look at her ears.
She had really bad eye infections when she was a baby, so the vet took them out when she was probably like 12 weeks. We had her and her whole litter. All the other ones got homes, and then we kept this one, of course. You know, you get a little attached when they're sicky. She's a good kitty cat. A little ornery, but good. She mostly just doesn't like our new cat. She likes Leo sometimes. That's Ulu. She's freshly 6 months old. Messing with Leo, she gonna find out. You gonna get the horns. Khaleesi's gonna be 4 in 1 month. She just lays around now, doing that. Whatever she's doing to Enzo. These two have grown up together. He was 1 when we got her. She used to be his size at 8 weeks for a couple of days. Hope. And then we have one more cat. She's a new cat. Foster fail, if you will. I think we are maxed out on the animals. The craziest animals are in bed. Children. Alright, well, there you have it. Oh, there's Rosie. She really likes Leo a lot. Rosie, her and Hope don't really get along. They've kind of come a long way, but sometimes they still fight. A little bit. Used to be bad. But we did a slow introduction and tried our best. They're all so calm right now. And Joe? Alright. Just staring at Khaleesi. She's like, what are you looking at, bruh?